Hi, class. This is your first day of school, and what I want to do is I want to introduce you to your Canvas page and how you're going to be accessing your work. Now, I want to remind you that this class is asynchronous. It's a big word, and what that means is it means that you can log on anytime during the week. And you can log on in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. It's totally up to you when you want to log on. However, you do have to log on during the week and you do have to keep up with your work. I want to remind you that if you don't, I have to drop you. So I want to show you how to access your page on Canvas. So here on the screen, we have our Pasadena City College screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Canvas. And when you go into Canvas, what you see is a bunch of your classes. And these little things are what are known as your shells. So your classes will be labeled by the semester and the class that you're taking. And so what I want you to do is I want you to click on the class. Now you get a page like this, and I want to go over a few things with you. First of all, the syllabus is over here where it says, oh, what's that? Okay, if you click on syllabus, you get the syllabus for the course. Here is the link to the readings on the syllabus, so you can take a look and see what you need to do for your reading. Okay, if you go over here, and I'd like you to take notes while we do this because you might forget, you can always play the video over again as well. So you come to this button called modules. So we work one module at a time, and I usually open these modules up at the end of the week, and it prepares you for the next week. What you have over here is all your work, and all your modules work is in numerical order. So you've got 0, 1. So the first module is the introduction module, and then you've got all of this work laid out for you. Okay, so I would like you to do this class. It's asynchronous, it's at your time, at your convenience. That's great, but I would like you to do this class one page at a time and take notes. Some of the pages have videos, some of the pages have work that you have to do, some of the pages have reading. So everything is so different. And so I'd like you to go one page at a time. So you would just click on the first one like this, and you get, if you get one of these pages where there's a video, you just click on this top little link to the video and it takes you to the video. And then you click on the next and it goes to the next page. So I start with a lot of videos, and you just click on next, you watch the video, and then you get a page like this where there's a discussion. And so you will read the instructions, and then you click on reply, and then when you click on reply, there's a little box for you to write your reply, and then you post your reply. And that's how the discussions work. Now, if you want to see your assignments, you can click on assignments, but I would like you to please go through the modules first, skim them, and then you can go and look at the assignments a little bit at a time. And then you have assignments like this, and whatever's opened at the time, you will see your opened assignments. So that's a really good place for you to look at all your quizzes, all your writing assignments, and everything that you have to do. So your discussions will be on a separate page like this, and then you don't have to worry about too many of these things right now. Um, we'll be doing more of it later. I would just like you to focus on the modules, and I would like you to go one page at a time in numerical order and do the assignments. So I'm opening up the first assignment the first day of school, and then you can start with your assignments. The due dates will be posted for you at the bottom of the assignment, but then if you click on the assignment, you get the assignment and it says when it's due, and then the due date is up here as well. So after I grade it, you come to this area here, and then your grades will be given. I give video responses to the class essays that I assign, but everything else I do written responses. Your discussions, I do chime in and I take a look at it. Now, as far as your attendance is concerned for the course, what you need to keep in mind is that I do look at your activity. And so if you fail to log on weekly, I will drop you. It's not my choice, actually. I have to drop you. That is the college policy. So please make sure that if you're not going to be in the class anymore, or you choose not to be in the class anymore, please make sure to send me a note or just drop the class on your own so that there's no misunderstandings, because I can't keep you in the class if you don't participate. So you should be on this at least 3 days a week, because I do check in every day. My email availability is Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5. What that means is that if you have a question that you email to me and you want a response, I respond Monday through Thursday, and I respond during 9 to 5, the hours of 9 to 5. So if you send me an email in those windows of time, you will get a response in those times, most likely immediately, within a few hours. But if you send me an email on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, you will not get an email before the following Monday. And if the following Monday is a holiday, then you will get an email the following Tuesday. Now, I am going to have availability of Zoom conferences that I can meet with you via Zoom during my office hours. I am going to make another video in how to access the conference hours on my calendar for you if you don't know how. I haven't made my calendar yet. I will be making it this week. And then I'm going to make another video so that you can access my calendar, and you just put in your name and then we meet on Zoom. And when that happens, I'm going to repeat this again, but when that happens, we'll meet right here where it says Confer Zoom. And that's where you click on to meet me. You just you launch on Zoom. I'll show you how to do that in another video. I don't want it to be too confusing. But right now, I'd just like you to focus on modules, and I would like you to focus on the work that you have to do and to read it. So starting today, it'll be, all these pages will be open, and you can start working on it right away. If you have questions, certainly send me an email. I'd like to hear from you. And this video is going to be available for you in your email and your Canvas. However, after this week, when I make videos, I just want to show you where I post most of my videos and everything that I have to say. So where it says announcements here, if you click on announcements, I have my announcements on this page, and you can read them, and you can ask me a question via email, but usually I put a lot of videos in the announcements rather than sending mass emails to you. So this is an introductory week. We're just getting to know each other, and you guys are learning about our course policies and how to proceed with the course. And so I'd like you to reread the syllabus very carefully, and I would also like you to look at the course policies and the course outline. if you have any concerns that I might not have mentioned in this, in my syllabus or in this presentation, I try to, you know, uh, talk about as much as I can. If you have other concerns that I haven't mentioned, please, that is the time when you should send me an email, and I can look at that more carefully for you. If you have any special needs that you need me to be aware of, this is the week to let me know. All right, so I hope we have a wonderful semester, and I hope you guys have a great day.